Today is October 1st, Thursday. Welcome to today's training diary. We've prepared a lot of solid content for you, showing beginner, intermediate, and advanced staff training methods. Let's go!
破石碎金，乱点天宫，横扫千军，蛟龙摆尾。
For beginner staff learners, if you love staff techniques, these 5 basics are the foundation you must learn and must practice. Remember, quantity plus quality is the path to your success. Practice each move 20 to 50 times every day for 2 to 5 sets depending on your own schedule. Start slow, then gradually increase your speed. Do not rush to avoid injuring your wrists. For intermediate level learners, there are 4 main staff combinations that bring together different techniques into one flow. This stage is all about refining your skills. Great technique comes from connecting the basics with confidence and precision. When you train, focus on your challenge. Maybe it's smooth rotations, maybe it's faster footwork, or maybe it's improving your balance. Push yourself step by step and turn each weakness into strength. Stay committed, stay confident, and good luck with your training. For advanced staff practitioners, this combination, when broken down into single moves, may seem simple. But when you put it all together, with fast speed, quick rotations, and powerful strikes, it becomes truly challenging. At this level, it's not just about practicing harder, it's about practicing smarter. Control your breathing, sharpen your timing, and let every strike carry both speed and intent. Remember, true mastery is built when body, weapon, and mind move as one. And if you've made it this far, you already know you're stronger than you think.